So this planet literally has a bunch of green leafy freeloaders doing a multi-billion-year infinite money glitch, and nobody is talking about it? Like, imagine you're just sitting in the sun, doing absolutely nothing, and suddenly you're making your own snacks out of thin air. That is the absolute unhinged boss energy of photosynthesis. And honestly, your favorite influencer wishes they had this clout. But before you think this is just some boring science class yapping, let's talk about how plants are basically running the ultimate cosmic kitchen. They are taking raw ingredients from the universe, cooking them up with zero chef experience, and single-handedly saving the entire world from starving. It's wild, it's chaotic, and it's happening right in your backyard. So how does this actually start? It all begins with a crazy long-distance relationship between a plant and the sun. And let's be real, the sun is totally toxic. It's blasting out insane radiation every single day, just screaming at the earth. But instead of blocking the sun on all platforms, the plants are like, no, wait, I can actually fix him. So the plants use this special green pigment called chlorophyll. Think of chlorophyll as the ultimate hype man. It sits inside the plant cells, specifically in these tiny rooms called chloroplasts, just waiting to catch those solar vibes. The second a photon of light hits the leaf, chlorophyll goes absolutely feral and absorbs that energy to start the whole cooking process. But you can't cook a 5-star meal with just good vibes and sunlight. You need actual ingredients. So the plant goes looking for two things: water and carbon dioxide. It sucks up water from the dirt through its roots, which is basically the plant chugging a massive iced coffee. Then, it breathes in carbon dioxide straight out of the air. Now, how does it breathe in that carbon dioxide? It uses these microscopic mouth-looking things on the bottom of the leaves called stomata. They literally open up like tiny little trapdoors to let the gas in. So now, the plant has trapped light, water, and gas all in the same room. This is where the magic happens, and things get crazy. Now, inside the chloroplast, a massive chemical reaction takes place. It chops up the water and carbon dioxide molecules like a frantic hibachi chef and rearranges them into something brand new. After chopping up those molecules using solar power, the plant creates two things. First, it makes glucose, which is just a fancy science word for sugar. This is the plant's literal fuel. It uses this sugar to grow bigger, flex on other plants, and survive. It's pure, unadulterated energy stored up for later. But here is the best part for us. The second thing it makes is oxygen. To the plant, oxygen is literally just toxic waste. It's trash. It doesn't want it. So it releases the oxygen right back out through those tiny stomata trapdoors into the atmosphere. So yeah, every single breath you take is just you inhaling a plant's unwanted garbage. So to recap, plants use sunlight to turn water and carbon dioxide into sugar food, and then they aggressively disrespect us by throwing their oxygen trash at our faces so we can stay alive. It's a toxic cycle, but hey, it works. I hope you have learned and enjoyed what photosynthesis is in today's video. See you on the next video. Bye now.